loose. Get loose with it, gon' get 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 loose. Okay, first off, let's get this thing started. Man, you know who the life of the party. Gonna celebrate nights, we were hardy, we alive, and everything right with him. Charlie, young man, gotta celebrate too.
All right, so it's been a while. As you can see, at the beach today, we need to do some content because there's a lot of things happening to the cars right now. And yeah, I think it's worth filming and talking about, even if no one cares. So we're at the beach. This is what happens when you're a car YouTuber, but you're fucking broke. And all three of us are broke, but yeah, and we're not broke obviously. We have cars, nice cars too. But we're no Adam LZ, TJ Hunt bullshit. So trying to figure out what we need to do with our cars right now. We've done a few things that we didn't film, which was a mistake. But yeah, we have some stuff to film and taking you guys on for the ride. Give you a little taste of Florida life. So yeah, let's go. This guy is the most Florida looking guy I've ever seen in my life. Let's try not to die. Dreadlocks. Let's follow him. He's white. He knows what he's doing. How you feeling, kid? How you like your new car, man?
I love it. This is the best car in the world.
This car, because I feel like Mazdas, they're overrated but underrated at the same time. It's hard to explain. But yeah, this is the newest car to enter the fleet at the house. Not bad, of course. Cars around here can only come one way. 6 speed.
Don't let anyone shit talk Miatas. Miatas are fucking good, all right? Miatas are great. Don't let anybody shit talk the Miata.
I'm a rotor flop it. 13B.
Need to K swap it. Put a K24 block, K20 head. Have yourself an S2000, but newer. Honda really should bring it back.
Where's that going?
Where's he going? The fuck? Where's he? I think he got lost and had to play it off. He didn't know where the hell we were going. I think he walked in. Look at the old girl. Always clean.
Oh, God. She expired too. 1022.
Oh, shit. I gotta renew that. Damn.
You didn't get an email?
Probably did. Didn't notice.
I think I have to do mine.
This is what we're gonna fix.
Oh, yeah.
That needs to be fixed. That's unacceptable.
Oh, yeah, it's trash. It's dirty.
Unacceptable.
This guy let it happen.
Cheap. We're gonna plasti dip the wheels. A cheap alternative to getting wheels right now. Here, someone. Right. When you're a broke bitch and you gotta make car videos, we're not Adam LZ, can't drop a fucking
a million.
Fucking engine swap or anything like that. Can't do anything like that. Whew. We gotta do a little cheap boy mods. So that's what we're doing. Some cheap boy mods.
Parched. Can we do like a
Fucking parched out here.
an engine swap video?
I mean, eventually.
It's so nice outside.
With the EP3.
No. This SI engine on
Oh, let's do it, dude.
Huh?
the Miata?
Let's do it, dude.
Imagine.
Cool.
Double power we were showing that.
Oh god, where's the turn?
Plastic dip. Do you know if they have like a because we could use just like tire shine, like Armor All or something, so it won't stick to the tires. But I'm sure they have like Plasti Dip specific shit to get it off, right?
It just peels off.
Then we can put but like when we're doing the wheels or whatever, it's better to like put something on the wheels so that it comes off easier on the tire. You know what I mean?
Oh, like a like a wrap.
Like
you could
like
probably
some
use
type
like
of chemical.
to remove it.
Yeah, chemical so it won't like something so it won't bond to the tire as well.
Maybe WD-40.
WD-40 might work. Would that fuck with the tires? Who knows? Fucking eats through the tires.
Probably make it look better.
Probably.
The cheap man's tire shine. I think I need some WD-40 anyway.
Getting cans of plastic of that dip.
Should be like right here. Somewhere. Plasti Dip.
Damn, how many cans of shit we gonna need? Well, there's only 3, so we don't got a fucking choice.
I mean, I have one left that I didn't use, but I might need later.
What is
Paint them red.
Red? I mean, I could do that for like the emblem or whatever.
Oh yeah,
Like
you
if
could
I
do the
could
emblem,
take,
right?
if there's like, do my wheels have an emblem on it? I don't know.
Yeah, they definitely do.
I can Plasti Dip it red, but we'll come back for that. I can do that too.
The engine bay, red.
The glossifier coating. Should we get that? I don't know.
Glossy.
Nah, matte, dude, matte.
It'll look like, I think the EP3 wheels were legit Plasti Dip.
Yeah.
It'll look like the EP3 wheels.
Yo, this guy bought dog.
Yeah, I didn't
They
know.
slavery, dude.
I didn't even.
Slavery?
I didn't.
Yeah, the slavery company.
Kids. Tastes better. Does that make you feel good?
Old Gao gonna have Plasti Dipped wheels next week, hopefully.
Next week.
I mean, depends if we feel like it's gonna take a minute. As long as it takes to take all the wheels off, Plasti Dip them, and then put them back on. Yeah.
Have to take up the rims.
Well, no. Just take the tires off. All right, so we decided last minute to Plasti Dip the wheels. Hopefully, it doesn't take all fucking day. It's almost 3 o'clock. It's 2:56 right now. So,
I mean, it's hot.
and it's hot.
So it'll dry fast.
It'll dry fast in the Florida heat, hopefully. So we got that going. So we're gonna quickly try to Plasti Dip the wheels, because it needs to happen. So much road rash on them, just not a good look. It's better than getting new wheels right now. Well, cheaper, I should say. I don't know about better. It's cheaper. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now.
Look, if they fit and they fit well, you can have them, dude.
Unacceptable. Unacceptable.
Look at these brand new tires. Well, this one is.
He wants me to get these and see if they fit. They look a little too big.
They were on a Camry, dude. You're good.
I mean, they're on a Camry. The Civics are far smaller.
And they were big on my Camry, too.
And they were big on the Camry, so it's highly unlikely it'll fit.
It'll be fine.
This is a compact sedan. You had a mid-size.
This poke did about as much as it did on my Camry. You care about poke?
That actually doesn't look all that bad. What the fuck? That doesn't look bad.
Do you mind the poke? That's nice. That's some nice poke.
Sheesh. Jesus Christ. What the? God damn.
I mean, that's about as much poke as I had on my Camry, but it didn't look as crazy because there was more gap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, but this is what we got. Got the tires all back here, and it's dip time. Internet. Because we did this on such short notice, we didn't plan out everything. We don't have time because I have to take the car to work tomorrow. So we have to get all this done today. So we can't just let the wheels dry. Need a leaf blower. This is what happens when you're poor and you have a car YouTube channel. Not everything's perfectly planned, and you don't have a team of nerds to help you out. You gotta do shit like...
Oh, it's blowing fucking dirt everywhere.
Ah, fuck. Should we do it vertically?
No. Thinking. Scheming.
That's a stinking face. Hell yeah, brother.
Why? 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 Why?
The fuck is wrong with you, man? Update. This one was the first one I did. Ass, complete ass, but it doesn't look that bad now that it's drying. A little bit of bubbles in there. This one. Overall, happy with it. Very happy that I went with the black instead of the white, because I was thinking about white, white and black, but black on black, I feel like you can never go wrong with black on black, especially when I get my red Honda badges. I'm gonna get a center cap with the red Honda emblem in the middle of these for now. And yeah, I think it'll look good. Black and red, it's solid. Yeah. We're gonna keep on keeping on, I guess.
Shit up.
It lasted all of 5 seconds.
We know it's not very durable now.
Look what you've done, Donald. I mean, I shouldn't be curbing the wheels at all.
What the fuck is that?
He fucked it up already.
Sure did. We can touch it up.
Fuck me, mate. Probably gonna do a full review on this car, because I feel like Mazdas, they're overrated but underrated at the same time. It's hard to explain. But yeah, this is the newest car to enter the fleet at the house. Not bad. Of course, cars around here can only come one way. 6-speed manual, one way, only way it comes around here. But yeah, full review coming on this thing late this week, early next week.
Oh, you put the Nami sticker?
I didn't do it, fucking Donald did it.
Like I said.
Peeled right off my car so easily.
Why?
So faded.
Car's so dirty, though.
I know, it's so dirty. Not bad. Finished product. Way better than than stock for sure. Not as good as new wheels entirely, but yeah, we're gonna give this thing a wash. Might film it, might not, but that might be the end of this video. So this could be the outro, this could not be the outro, but if it is the outro, see you guys in the next one. Hey,
Get them resurfaced.